Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert a Microsoft Word document to a PDF using Microsoft Word. So without time wasting, let's jump into the video. If you have the desktop version of Microsoft Word installed on your Windows PC or Mac, the easiest way to convert your document to PDF is right in Word itself. Open the document you want to convert and then click the File tab. On the Backstage screen, select Save As from the list on the left. Next, from the Save As screen, select where you would like the PDF to be saved: OneDrive, this PC, a particular folder, or wherever. Click the drop-down arrow on the right side of the Save As type box and select PDF from the drop-down menu. If you want to, you can change the file name at this time. When you're ready, click the Save button. After saving the PDF, you'll be returned to your Word document and the new PDF will open automatically in your default PDF viewer. And that's it. How simple is that? I hope you found this video useful. So don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.